Hello everyone, this is Devin with PJ's Plants and Nutrition. We finally got our AC Infinity fan, clip-on fan installed, and we'll go ahead and give it a go. Now these things have a 1 to 10 setting, and if you can barely see that little light right there, that means it's at 1, 2, 3. Of course you get the gist of it. We'll go back to 1 or 2. 2 will be good. So we're providing airflow on our little seedlings for two main reasons. One is to keep the air going, preventing stale air that could cause mold. And two is to help the plants become more sturdy and strengthen up the stalk.